Hello everyone, a warm welcome to the Recipe Tales. I'd like to share with you some of my comfort dishes. Today I'm going to showcase the Sambharo, a cabbage Sambharo. Let me tell you what Sambharo means. It is a Gujarati word, and Sambharo is a stir-fried vegetables that is done very quick and fast. So within 4 minutes we get it done. Normally in the wok it is done on high flame. Now I'm going to showcase this in my Thermomix, which is much more simple, easy and fast to do. Shall we begin? Today I'm going to do Kobis Sambharo. It is a Gujarati dish, and the other word for Kobis Sambharo is nothing other than a stir-fried cabbage with green chilies. I've used green chilies that has been seeded because I cannot take too spicy, so go ahead and use extra heat chilies if you want to use. What we need is just this, a little bit of salt, turmeric powder, Asafoetida. So we just take a pinch of Asafoetida. Then we have the mustard powder. We are not using the mustard seed. We are just using the mustard powder and some oil. That's all we need to make Kobis Sambharo. Let's start by putting in our green chilies. So I'm going to just put those chilies first, and I'm going to show you the chopping function. So we're going to put in with our measuring cup intact, and I'm going to just take 3 seconds, okay, 3 seconds, and we are going to go to speed 7, and you got to go very fast. That's right, in 3 seconds. And I'm going to show you just how it looks. I'm not going to breathe it because it's spicy. There it goes. Right? And we're going to scrape it down. This is where the spatula helps. It is spicy, but I brought it down. And the next portion of it, I'm going to pull out a recipe for capsicum. Now I go to my cookie dough, I go to my recipe. That's one way of looking for it. Or all I have to do is go there and go to my recently cooked. So I'm going to, like you're going to saute capsicum. Instead of sauteing capsicum, I'm going to saute my cabbage. So next stage, we have to add just 20 grams of oil. So we already have the main weighing scale up there. So I'm just going to pour 20 grams of oil. Well, I prefer 15, though the recipe says, so I can always reduce. Okay, and then goes next. What it says, put in your capsicum. So instead of capsicum, I'm putting all my cabbage in. And go to next. It says that we have to close it. So instead of doing that, what I'm going to put in a pinch of my mustard powder, and then just a pinch of my Asafoetida. Okay, a little bit of my turmeric powder, and I'm going to let this saute. Right, so we go to next. What does it tells me to do? I have to cover it, and then I have to put a splash guard. As I mentioned, all high temperature cooking, you need a splash guard, and it says here, place the splash guard, and you have to put it done, and then you get this, right? So it says 12 minutes. I don't want to cook for 12 minutes. I like my cabbage to be slightly crunchy, so I'm going to reduce. And there it goes, it started cooking already. So the oil is heating up. when the oil is heated. Now high temperature cooking can go up to 160 degrees Celsius. So it is good, it's safe. Even though I'm standing very near, I'm safe. And cooking is really fun because, you know, I don't have to clean my kitchen. And I'm actually today standing in my dining room and showing it to you how I'm cooking. Okay, so that is the plus point of owning a Thermomix. We're done already. So I'm going to take it out. Look at the arms opening, and we have that open, and I'm taking out away from myself. Okay, and I'm placing that. And this is what happens when you stir fry your cabbage, which is you'll get the umami fragrance of it, right? And I'm going to put a little bit of salt to it. So you get a little bit of that overdone cabbage that is, you know, burned kind of thing, but it's not really burnt. And let me take that out. So let me show it to you how it looks. There you go. Okay, so let me take this out. It's overdone. Nope, it's just nice, perfect. And there we have it, my Kobis Sambharo, ready to be served with rice, or you can also have it with chapati. So I'm going to have mine with chapati with a bowl of yogurt, and that's it, and that's going to be my lunch. My name is Sushila Patel. This is the Recipe Tales, recipes with a modern twist.